Since Canva is a super beginner-friendly tool that provides so many opportunities for generating income online, I'm going to break down the 3 best ways you can make money with it, even if you're starting from scratch. And these are the exact methods creators are using right now, myself included, to make consistent sales. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, because these are products you create once, list online, and they keep selling over and over again with no inventory, no shipping, or much customer service required. It's also one of the easiest ways to make money with Canva, which is digital products. When someone buys a digital product that you've created, they instantly receive the file, and there's really no additional effort required on your end. Some of the best-selling digital products online right now are made entirely inside Canva, and they're literally making thousands of dollars every month. So let's talk about what you can actually create. With Canva, you can easily design templates, for example, social media posts, business cards, invitations, or mock-up images for online stores. You can make ebooks and guides. Canva has tons of ready-made ebook templates that you can fully customize so you're not starting from scratch or staring at a blank page. Printables like wall art, worksheets, planners, or goal trackers, and courses or workshops. You can design your slide decks right inside Canva, which is what I've personally done. I just customize the slides to fit my messaging, branding, and of course, the actual lessons. I've literally sold every single one of these examples using Canva alone, and they've all performed really well. So I just wanted to share some of the details in a few of the Canva digital products that I've sold and currently sell, and please excuse my voice during this segment. I'm currently recording this clip while battling a nasty cold, but this is a set of positive affirmation cards that I sell. I've gotten a lot of positive reviews for this. Super easy to create. I grabbed these graphics from Creative Fabrica, which I will link for you down below. And then I added these quotes myself. I actually generated many of these quotes in ChatGPT and then just tweaked them slightly. This is an ebook that I created entirely from scratch. I didn't use a template or anything, but you can see all the pages look very similar. Of course, I added in my own information, my own examples, and my own lessons, things like that. This is a live workshop that I hosted last year, so I'm just gonna go to grid view, and you can see the slides are very basic. I charged $97 for this workshop, and all I needed was Canva and Zoom to host it. And then this is a self-care printable planner that I sell. I actually show how I created this step-by-step in one of my previous videos. You can find it in the Canva tutorials playlist on my channel if you're interested in seeing how I put this all together. But again, you can see very easy to create. To further prove that Canva digital products sell, I've not only sold many of them myself, but I've also purchased many, depending on what I've needed. For example, I bought a slide deck template for my newest course because I had a specific design in mind that I didn't want to create from scratch. So this saved me a lot of time. I've also bought invitation templates for my son's birthday and some other stationery that I just didn't have time to design myself. If you're brand new to this, start with what feels easiest and most natural for you. But if you've been watching some of my recent videos, you know I always encourage creating educational resources, things like an ebook, a template bundle, or a mini course. You can browse through Canva's free templates, fonts, and graphics, and make sure you're only using their free elements or licensed ones if you have Canva Pro. I also recommend reviewing their licensing terms before selling your designs, just to make sure you're using everything correctly for what you're selling. And if you want even more design assets, you can always purchase elements from platforms like Creative Fabrica and bring them into Canva. As long as you're purchasing their commercial license and following their requirements, you'll be good to go. I'll leave a link to Creative Fabrica down below for you if you'd like to browse their assets. Once you've created your product, all you need to do is upload it online, whether that's on your own website or a platform like Payhip or Etsy, where your file gets automatically delivered to your customer without you having to do anything else. The system will just email your customer the digital file instantly. The second way to make money with Canva is another passive income stream option, and that's through print-on-demand products. This is basically taking your digital product a step further, especially if it's some sort of art design or a planner scanner and uploading it to a platform that will create, package, and deliver a physical version of it to your customers for you without you having to handle any inventory, shipping, or fulfillment. You also don't pay anything upfront. The cost of creating and shipping the product gets factored into the price that your customer pays. And since Printify is such an amazing platform for this, with a huge catalog of physical product options, I've partnered with them in this video to give you a 1-month free trial of their premium plan. This just gives you an advantage over your competitors because you can keep costs lower for your customers. You can cancel at any time and just stick to their free plan if that's what you prefer. I'll leave the link to sign up for free down below for you. So here's how it would work. You would integrate your shop with Printify so they get notified each time you make a sale. I show you how to integrate your shop in this video here, which I will link for you down below. You design your artwork in Canva, whether you're using Canva's elements or graphics you've purchased from Creative Fabrica, and save it as a PNG file with a transparent background. Choose the product you want your design to be printed on, whether that's a t-shirt, tote bag, mug, hoodie, or a journal, for example. Then you can simply upload your design and position it how you want on the product. And as long as your shop is properly integrated, you can publish your item right away. When a customer places an order, Printify gets notified and they'll print and ship it straight to them. So you don't have to worry about anything at that point. Now, here's where a lot of people overcomplicate this and waste a lot of time. They try to design hundreds of products or build an entire store before even testing one idea. So to keep things very simple, just pick one product and one niche and focus on designs that connect emotionally with your audience. For example, it could just be focused on cute coffee mugs for moms, and these can all start as quick and simple Canva designs. Once you make a few sales with this one type of product, you can expand to different products from the catalog, but only using the most popular designs from your first product line. So make sure to check out Printify for free using the link below, browse through their catalog, and you can start uploading your Canva designs right away. The next way to make money with Canva is quite different from the other two options because it's not passive, but it's almost guaranteed that you'll land sales since it involves custom work, and that's by offering design services. This one is perfect if you want to start generating income almost right away, especially while you're building your digital product or print-on-demand business in the background. You can easily use Canva to offer one-on-one design work for clients like social media graphics, business cards and logos, YouTube thumbnails, Pinterest pins, website design assets, and so much more. And the great thing is, Canva has so many built-in templates for all of those options that you never have to start from scratch. You can just customize what already exists and make it your own. And I can actually speak from experience here because this is how I got started. Back when I was still working full-time, I used to do freelance graphic design work on the side. I started by offering free design services for my friends' events. So I made things like invitations, signs, menus, etc. Then I'd post that work on social media, and before I knew it, I was fully booked just from referrals and Instagram. I didn't even have to market my services anywhere else. At the time, I was using Adobe Illustrator to design everything, but I quickly realized that a lot of what I was doing could easily be done inside Canva. And so I eventually migrated everything over. It just made the process faster and easier for me. Now, you might be thinking that people wouldn't pay for design services because there are so many pre-made templates out there, but I promise you they do. Business owners and creators don't have time to design everything themselves, no matter how easy these tools are to use. For example, I personally have a thumbnail designer, even though I could easily make them myself, but he's faster and more creative, and that's what he specializes in. I've also hired virtual assistants in the past to help me stay consistent on Instagram when I didn't have time to make my own posts. So trust me, these roles are definitely needed. You can always start by offering a few free or discounted projects in exchange for testimonials and portfolio examples. Share your work on social media, ask for referrals, and as you start to book more clients, raise your rates with every project. To get a sense of what you can eventually charge, look at what other designers are pricing on platforms like Upwork. You'll find thumbnail designers charging anywhere from $10 to $50 per thumbnail or more, and brand kit or logo designers charging $100 to $500 plus per package, depending on experience and niche. If I were getting started again, I'd also join Facebook communities where my ideal clients hang out, like virtual assistant groups, business coach groups, or YouTube creator communities. People are constantly posting design jobs in there, looking for someone reliable who can create assets quickly. You can check out Printify entirely for free using the link below. And if you'd like to learn how to sell digital notebooks using Canva, watch this video next, and I'll see you there.